Hello, this is a quick video on YouTube. In this video, I'm just going to show you how to earn some fast money, some quick money if you have some spare change lying about. So we're just going to go to soccer, as you can see, and there, Newcastle versus Liverpool. A popular team versus a not so popular team in terms of favourites to win. Now, if you have a spare £5, you can see I'll put for Liverpool to win, which is 1 in 4. I would walk away with an extra £1.25 if Liverpool won. If you put a draw on 5-1, you'd walk away with £25 that you never had. However, the 10-1 is the good one. So if you put 5 on the 10-1, you'd walk away with £50. So if they lose, you'd have lost £5. If they win, you would have gained 50 with the 10-1. So just examples of 10-1. If you put a tenner on and they won, you'd walk away with £100. The lost, you'd lose £10, depending on who you are, if you can afford that. There's always a possibility. It's as simple as all they have to do is win, and you get that money. That's it. You've guessed it right. Yeah, put £20 on. If you're feeling lucky, you've done all your shopping, you've paid all your bills, you walk away with an extra £200. £50 on, you'd walk away with an extra £500. Obviously, if you put £100 on, you'd walk away with an extra £1,000 just for Newcastle winning, and it's very possible because they are a Premier League team. So, yeah, 10-1. And obviously, if you put £1,000 on, you walk away with £10,000 if Newcastle simply won. That could be by a goal or whatever. And that's just a way to make some quick money. Essentially, start with a £5, but make sure you got all your bills sorted.